Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
L'Île Sainte-Thérèse is a small but fascinating island, nestled in the St. Lawrence River near Montreal, Quebec. This island covers an area of about 7 square kilometers and has a coastline stretching over 18 kilometers. This island has been shaped by its location along one of Quebec's most important waterways. The St. Lawrence River was a key route for trade and travel for Indigenous peoples, long before European settlers arrived. Today, L'Île Sainte-Thérèse is valued for its natural ecosystems and its potential as a green space for Montreal's residents. The landscape here is flat and low-lying. Much of the land is cultivated, with tree cover accounting for about half the island. In recent years, efforts have been made to rewild the island, planting thousands of trees to restore habitats for local wildlife. This project aims to make the island a hub for biodiversity, benefiting species of birds and aquatic life while combating shoreline erosion. One exciting initiative involves transforming the island into a green belt to support ecological health in Montreal's East End. This includes planting over 500,000 trees, an ongoing project led by SNAP Quebec, in collaboration with local communities and environmental organizations. Although the island doesn't have major ports or an airport, it remains an ecological treasure. It's a wonderful example of how people and organizations can work together to preserve natural spaces, while enhancing the quality of life for nearby residents. L'Île Sainte-Thérèse's mix of history, nature, and conservation efforts makes it a special part of Quebec's landscape.